Hi, welcome to this video. I thought it might be fun to pack an order together. I've never done this before on my channel, so I'm very grateful that somebody placed this giant custom order. It helped me out a ton, of course. I remember the first time someone placed an order on my shop where it was like a gift and they wanted a gift message included, and I didn't know that was a thing until it was ordered, and I froze. I was like, how do I put in a gift message that looks nice? I was so stressed. That's just an example of showing you guys that you can figure out anything that comes your way, and even when you feel stuck, you'll figure it out. You've got this, and I always try to encourage you because I know when you're starting a business, there's so much to think about. How do you ship an order? How do you pack it? And all of these things can seem extremely overwhelming, but just take it one step at a time, and if something comes up that you don't know how to do, have faith that you will figure it out. I've had my business for a couple years now, and I still hit roadblocks. Problems come up that I could have never expected to happen. You kind of learn to just go with the flow and figure it out as you go. Even if you have to make it up as you go, that's totally fine. Anyone else out there running a business, have you noticed that shipping prices have gone up? I figure it might be like a pandemic related thing. I don't know what it is, the state of the world, but I shipped this really tiny box. You guys are going to see how it turns out in the end. And it was $20 for me to ship it within Ontario. Further north, it was pretty far and it is a remote area, but still, it's never been that much for me for a small package. Which is also why I love my shipping method where I use a stamp to send my orders. Obviously, this one was way too big to do that, but yeah, thank goodness I found that method, because if I was spending that on every small package I was sending, I would be in trouble. I just made sure to put lots of bubble wrap to keep everything safe, and I genuinely enjoyed making this order so much. I loved all the different items in it, where I was making keychains, celestial suns, floral wall hanging. It was just really interesting. It's fun when you have a big order and then you get to see the result of all your hard work right in front of you when you have a bunch of different things made. And this is also why I encourage all of you to make sure you're getting paid for your time as well, not just making profit on the actual items, because this is a sped up video and it's chopped up, but overall this took me almost 15 minutes to package, and that's just one order. So make sure you're getting paid for your time. It is valuable and important. It's a part that a lot of people overlook when starting a business. This was just a quick video. I wanted to say hi, leave some encouraging words for you, and show you this really awesome order that I loved making. Thank you so much for being here with me today. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye!